The Greek word krisis means decision or turning point. Storytellers build their stories to reach a crisis where the hero has to make a decision to achieve a turning point. And this turning point is the climax of the story where the hero claims his survival. Yes, there is loss, and it could be loss of life, it could be loss of money, stuff, but the loss is a sacrifice that unlocks the change. This is how survival works. So, crisis asks that you make a decision. To make this decision, you need to know, what do I value? What am I prepared to die for? And what is my legacy? Don't wait for a crisis before you make this decision. Decide right now, what is the single most important aspect of your life? Use this decision to drive every change you want to make. For me, when everything loses meaning, there remains just this: the love of God. My decision to remain within the love of God is my power. It drives every change in my life, and it celebrates my survival during moments of crisis.